sejam-jam kerentama benang seni no Jogja undek ini dama malah sumelen sugun doang di kamar. Angkat say by nelpon endah.
Halo?
Say.
Amak Serudin?
Halo. Halo, saya ini.
Halo?
Saya
Halo?
Aneh, saya
Amak
ini, saya
Serudin?
ini.
It's me, Mindy. We met at Taman Budaya a while ago.
Wadah, nyala nane jak ni. Turis tak naik ke Piranto, Taman Budaya.
Halo?
Ya, halo. Oh,
Halo.
yes,
Amak Serudin?
ya. So long time we tend to meet. Feeling good, lakasut.
Yeah, how are you doing? Is everything okay?
Oh, alhamdulillah. I'm healthy now, but nowadays something feeling sick on my pocket.
Really?
Ah.
What's that? Have you checked to your
Oh,
doctor?
no. It is ndek perlu dokter. My dompet in my pocket is just need lembaran bea, foto of presiden and wakil presiden. So there was number 100,000.
What? What do you mean?
Oh, I mean kepeng.
You make me so confused.
Money. Nowadays we don't have money. It ini lockdown. It's sure we had sakit otak apa kena? Head ass.
Oh my! Everyone now has a financial problem. But the first thing that we must do is to be thankful for our health. Money can buy the happiness that we feel when we're healthy. Halo? Halo? Amak Serudin?
Oh, yes. Yeah. I'm dengah you talk. Ya.
Bau si dengerti apa tiang ngeraus?
Angkat nek tahu bahasa Sasak.
Yo, balik tiang le dayan balen Tuan Sumar
Aneh.
ni le kerandangan.
Segerah sang sida aja jaga.
Yo, den sadu.
Ah.
Tiang le niki kanca anak-anak penghuni sorga le te kanca adik-adik.
Yo. Sak marak lagu kanak nane nuan. Apa kena malaikat tak bersayap senuan.
Nggih, tiang kanca adik-adik sa berkebutuhan khusus nika berkarya jalani kehidupan maraite. Oh lupa ketuan sida sampun deboya lagu baru semama tiang Om Apip. Lagu sak judulna Anak Nelayan no. Lagu niki angkat seorang tunarungu. Arak bahasa isyarat le dalamnya.
Oh, sudah saya boya itu. Luar biasa. Tulen nih baru nerenggawian kena nih, Ndek marak batur-batur tia. Meninten NTB sayang penuh bakat positif. Menuntang kumana sugun bagelining. Kumana lalu apa ngabuburit apa kena. Iya wah bisa kita otak. Meninten lockdown ini tadi sandek nyebar muninya gimana jalan-jalan.
Okay. We hope this virus will quickly disappear from this island, from Indonesia, and from all over the world. Okay, Amak Serudin, I have to go now. There are many things I have to finish before this afternoon.
Okay, Mindy.
Goodbye, Amak Serudin. Take care. Stay safe and stay healthy, ya.
Ya.
Assalamualaikum.
Oh, yes. Waalaikumsalam. Goodbye, Amak Serudin. Take care. Apa kena arti kena undang? Belo isi ngeraus, bikinang.